Hello. U.S. stock futures edged down today following yesterday's Treasury yield surge ahead of the U.S. GDP data release. Europe is also facing losses today as investors wait for the European Central Bank's rate decision as well as the press conference afterwards. Recent data have shown a slowdown in the European economy while the U.S. economy remains robust despite high rates. This has caused the euro to weaken against the dollar and resume its downtrend, which could steepen if Lagarde refers to recession concerns during today's meeting. Meanwhile, oil slipped today after data showed U.S. crude inventories rose last week, while gold tests the $2,000 resistance as geopolitical concerns offset high Treasury yields. Meta Platforms beat expectations in their third-quarter earnings report released yesterday, boosted by its year of efficiency strategy, including the multiple rounds of layoffs. The Facebook parent company posted year-over-year quarterly revenue gains of 23% to more than $34 billion, exceeding the $33.5 billion analysts had projected. Meta also more than doubled profits compared to the year-ago quarter, reporting net income of nearly $11.6 billion. On the other hand, the company's 2024 spending forecast exceeded Wall Street estimates due to continued investment in AI infrastructure. Shares of the company, which had initially jumped by 3% after hours, saw a reversal that concluded with a 3% drop below the closing price. IBM yesterday evening reported third-quarter better-than-expected profit and revenue that came in parallel with projections. The IT software and consultancy services provider cited stable demand for its software solutions as the reason the company was able to operate successfully in the current macroeconomic environment. Third-quarter EPS came in at $2.2, above the forecast of $2.13, while revenue came in at $14.75 billion. UPS shares slipped in pre-market as the company cut its 2023 revenue forecast due to lower e-commerce delivery demand. The delivery firm now expects full-year revenue between $91.3 billion and $92.3 billion, compared with a prior forecast of about $93 billion. EPS for the third quarter came in at $1.57, above estimates of $1.53, while UPS's revenue was $21.1 billion, missing the forecast of $21.5 billion. Megacap earnings that will be released after the markets close today include Amazon.com and Intel. Analysts are expecting 58-cent EPS and $141.5 billion revenue from Amazon, and estimates for Intel are EPS of 22 cents and revenue of $13.53 billion. As Phillip Capital Team, we wish you happy and healthy days.